Hello, I'm Dr. Angelina Dcosta, and in today's video, we will be discussing a very interesting and natural approach to men's health. Many men after the age of 50, 60, or even 80, struggle with weak blood flow, low energy, and reduced performance. But what if I told you that, by adding a simple natural ingredient to your daily coffee, you could improve circulation, boost stamina, and support firmer, stronger erections naturally? This is not about quick fixes or harmful pills. Instead, it's about understanding how your body responds to certain foods and natural boosters that improve nitric oxide production, increase blood vessel flexibility, and restore vitality even as you age. I will explain the science behind this powerful addition, how it helps your blood vessels open up, why it supports healthy testosterone levels, and how you can include it safely in your morning routine. Stay tuned until the end of this video, because I will also share practical lifestyle tips, dietary changes, and a simple daily habit that can help men over 60 regain energy, stamina, and confidence in their intimate life. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell, so you never miss our trusted health advice, made especially for seniors and caregivers. Let's get started. Common causes of poor erections after 60 and 70. As men cross the age of 60 and beyond, one of the most frequent concerns I hear in my clinic is about declining erections. This is not a matter of embarrassment, it's a natural part of aging that affects almost every man to some degree. But understanding the causes is the first step to finding a solution. One of the biggest reasons is poor blood circulation. Erections depend on healthy blood vessels, carrying oxygen-rich blood to the pelvic area. With age, arteries tend to harden, and conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and cholesterol narrow the vessels, making it harder to achieve and maintain firmness. Another key factor is the decline in testosterone levels. After 40, testosterone drops gradually each year, and by 60 or 70, the body may not produce enough to support libido, energy, and strong performance. Medications also play a role. Many seniors take drugs for blood pressure, heart disease, or depression, and some of these can interfere with normal sexual function. We must also talk about lifestyle habits. Lack of exercise, excess weight, smoking, alcohol, and chronic stress all damage blood vessels and reduce energy levels, worsening the problem. And finally, there's the emotional side. Performance anxiety, low self-esteem, or relationship stress can create a mental block that makes physical performance even more difficult. The important message is this: while these causes are real, they are not permanent barriers. With the right nutrition, simple habits, and natural boosters, men can improve their circulation, balance hormones, and bring vitality back, even well into their 70s and 80s. Let's understand the role of blood flow and nitric oxide in men's health. One of the most important aspects of men's health, especially when it comes to stamina and erections, is blood flow. Without strong circulation, the body simply cannot perform at its best. Erections are not just about hormones, they are primarily a vascular process. Healthy arteries and veins must be able to carry blood efficiently, and any blockage or stiffness makes performance weaker. This is where nitric oxide plays a vital role. Nitric oxide is a natural gas produced inside the body that relaxes and widens blood vessels. Think of it as a signal that tells your blood vessels, open up and allow more flow. When nitric oxide levels are high, circulation improves, oxygen delivery increases, and blood can easily reach the areas that need it most, especially the pelvic region. But as men age, nitric oxide production naturally declines. By the time you reach 60 or 70, your body may be producing only half of what it did in your younger years. This drop directly affects your ability to achieve strong, lasting erections. Poor diet, lack of physical activity, smoking, and stress can reduce nitric oxide even further. On the other hand, foods rich in natural nitrates, like leafy greens, beetroot, and certain fruits, boost nitric oxide and help restore healthy circulation. The truth is, erections are a mirror of your vascular health. If your blood vessels are flexible, open, and healthy, your performance remains strong. But if circulation weakens, so does your vitality. That is why supporting nitric oxide levels naturally is one of the most powerful ways to regain stamina, energy, and confidence at any age. Next on section, coffee and circulation, how it supports vascular health. Coffee is one of the most widely consumed drinks in the world, and beyond just waking you up in the morning, it can play a surprising role in supporting your vascular health. Many men don't realize that moderate coffee intake can actually benefit blood flow, which is essential for stamina, energy, and strong erections. The key lies in caffeine and natural antioxidants found in coffee. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system and slightly dilates blood vessels, which can improve circulation. It also helps increase alertness, reduce fatigue, and boost energy, all of which indirectly support performance and confidence. But even more important are the polyphenols and antioxidants in coffee. These compounds fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect the lining of your blood vessels, known as the endothelium. A healthy endothelium is critical for producing nitric oxide, the very molecule that keeps blood vessels relaxed and open for smooth blood flow. Studies have shown that men who drink coffee in moderation often have better vascular flexibility, which lowers the risk of high blood pressure and improves circulation throughout the body. And since erections are directly dependent on healthy blood flow, this means that coffee can naturally support performance as well. Of course, balance is important. Too much coffee may cause restlessness, poor sleep, or increased heart rate. But when taken in the right amount, especially in the morning, coffee becomes more than just a daily habit. It becomes a simple, natural tool to protect your vascular health and support your vitality as you age. Now that we've discussed how coffee itself supports blood flow, let's take it one step further. There is a simple, natural ingredient that, when added to your morning coffee, can significantly boost circulation, enhance nitric oxide levels, and restore stronger erections, even in men over 60, 70, and beyond. That ingredient is cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a kitchen spice. It contains powerful compounds that improve insulin sensitivity, reduce blood sugar spikes, and lower inflammation, all of which protect your blood vessels. Most importantly, cinnamon helps improve blood flow by relaxing and widening arteries. This means more oxygen-rich blood can travel to every part of your body, including the pelvic area, where it's needed for healthy, firm erections. In addition, cinnamon is rich in antioxidants that protect the delicate lining of your blood vessels, keeping them flexible and responsive. This supports nitric oxide production, which, as I explained earlier, is the key messenger that signals your blood vessels to open up. Adding just half a teaspoon of cinnamon to your coffee not only enhances the flavor but also provides a natural, daily boost to your vascular health. Over time, this small habit can improve stamina, energy, and confidence without the risks of chemical-based pills or harsh supplements. Of course, moderation is important. A little cinnamon each day is beneficial, but too much can irritate the stomach or interact with certain medications. Always start small, and consult your doctor if you are on regular medication. So, the next time you enjoy your morning coffee, think of it as more than a routine. It can be your natural health tonic. With a sprinkle of cinnamon, that cup becomes a powerful ally in maintaining vitality, supporting blood flow, and restoring performance even in your later years. Let's understand how this ingredient improves energy, stamina, and confidence. When we talk about men's health, it's not just about stronger erections, it's about overall vitality, stamina, and the confidence that comes from feeling in control of your body. Adding cinnamon to your daily coffee works on all three levels. First, let's talk about energy. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the sudden spikes and crashes that leave many men feeling tired and sluggish during the day. When your energy is steady, you feel more active, more alert, and more motivated to move your body. That energy translates into better physical and mental performance. Second, it boosts stamina. Because cinnamon improves circulation and supports healthy blood vessels, oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently throughout the body. This means your muscles, heart, and brain all function at a higher capacity. Better blood flow also means more endurance during exercise, and intimacy, allowing you to perform for longer without fatigue. And finally, there's confidence. For many men, poor erections or low stamina can lead to anxiety, frustration, and even withdrawal from relationships. But when you start to notice stronger energy levels, improved circulation, and better performance, your confidence naturally grows. You no longer feel limited by age, you feel empowered to enjoy life fully, whether that's in daily activities, fitness, or intimacy. This is why something as simple as adding cinnamon to coffee can have such a powerful effect. It's not a magic pill, it's a natural, science-backed way to support your body, restore balance, and give you the energy and confidence you need to live well into your 60s, 70s, and 80s. Now that you know the benefits of adding cinnamon to your coffee, let's talk about something very important: how much to take, and when to take it. Because with natural remedies, balance and consistency are always more effective than excess. For most men, the safe and effective dosage is about half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day. This amount is enough to support blood flow, stabilize blood sugar, and provide antioxidant protection without overwhelming your body. Taking more than 1 teaspoon daily, over a long period may cause stomach irritation, or interact with certain medications, so moderation is key. The best time of day to add cinnamon is in the morning with your first cup of coffee. This gives your body a natural circulation boost at the start of the day, while also helping to regulate your energy levels and prevent mid-morning fatigue. For men who enjoy a second cup of coffee in the afternoon, a small sprinkle of cinnamon can also be added, but avoid taking it too late in the evening, as caffeine itself may interfere with sleep. It's also important to use true Ceylon cinnamon whenever possible. This variety contains much lower levels of a compound called coumarin, which in high doses can be harmful to the liver. Ceylon cinnamon is lighter in flavor but much safer for regular, long-term use compared to the common cassia cinnamon found in most grocery stores. And finally, if you are on medication for blood pressure, diabetes, or blood thinning, please speak to your doctor before making this a daily habit. Natural remedies are powerful, but they should always complement your existing health plan safely. By keeping the dosage small and consistent, and by enjoying it in the morning with your coffee, cinnamon becomes not just a spice, but a daily tonic that supports your heart, circulation, and vitality well into your later years. While adding cinnamon to your morning coffee is a powerful step toward improving circulation and stamina, combining it with the right foods can multiply the benefits. Nutrition works best when it's balanced, and certain foods naturally complement this coffee habit to give you stronger, longer-lasting results. First, let's start with leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and arugula. These are rich in natural nitrates that boost nitric oxide production, which, as we've discussed earlier, is essential for healthy blood flow and firm erections. Adding a serving of greens to your daily meals keeps your blood vessels flexible and responsive. Next are beets and beet juice. Beets are one of the richest sources of nitrates and antioxidants. Many men notice an increase in stamina and improved energy when they include beetroot in their diet a few times per week. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruit also play a big role. They are packed with vitamin C, which protects your blood vessels from oxidative damage and helps maintain strong circulation. Plus, they add a refreshing balance to your meals. Don't forget nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, almonds, and flax seeds. These provide healthy fats and L-arginine, an amino acid that supports nitric oxide levels naturally. Just a handful daily can give you steady energy while supporting heart and vascular health. Another excellent option is dark berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. They are loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids, which help repair blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and improve overall circulation. And finally, include lean proteins like fish, chicken, or plant-based proteins such as beans and lentils. They help build and maintain muscle, balance hormones, and support long-term stamina. When you combine cinnamon coffee with these circulation-friendly foods, you create a natural daily routine that supports your blood vessels, improves energy levels, and helps restore confidence in your performance even as you grow older. Bonus tips. Daily lifestyle habits that restore vitality after 60. When it comes to men's health after 60, the truth is that small daily habits make a bigger difference than you may realize. It's not just about one ingredient or one food, it's about building a routine that supports your heart, hormones, and circulation every single day. The first habit is regular movement. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. A simple 30-minute walk, some light stretching, or low-impact exercises, like yoga or swimming, are enough to keep your blood flowing, strengthen your heart, and maintain flexibility. Consistent movement also helps balance testosterone and improves mood. Second, focus on quality sleep. Men over 60 often underestimate the role of deep rest. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, balances hormones, and restores energy. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep, and avoid caffeine late in the evening so you don't interfere with your natural rhythm. Third, practice stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which lowers testosterone and weakens blood flow. Simple techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even just spending time in nature can help calm your mind and protect your body. Another important habit is staying hydrated. Dehydration makes blood thicker and circulation slower, which directly affects energy and erections. Aim to drink enough water throughout the day, especially if you consume coffee. And finally, maintain healthy social and emotional connections. Being active in your community, spending time with loved ones, and nurturing relationships reduces stress and boosts confidence. Emotional health is deeply connected to physical vitality. When you combine these lifestyle habits with a nutrient-rich diet and your morning cinnamon coffee, you create a complete foundation for restoring stamina, energy, and vitality well after 60. Age may change the body, but with the right daily practices, you can continue to feel strong, active, and confident. As we wrap up the video, we've seen in today's discussion, men don't have to accept declining stamina, weak erections, or low energy as an unavoidable part of aging. With the right knowledge and small daily changes, it is absolutely possible to feel strong, confident, and vibrant well into your 60s, 70s, and even 80s. Adding a simple ingredient like cinnamon to your morning coffee can support blood flow, improve nitric oxide levels, and give your body the circulation boost it needs. But remember, true vitality doesn't come from one spice or one drink alone. It comes from a complete lifestyle. Healthy foods, daily movement, stress control, quality sleep, and avoiding harmful habits that block testosterone and circulation. Your health is always in your hands. The sooner you begin making these changes, the greater the benefits you will enjoy, not just for performance, but for your heart, energy, and overall well-being. So, don't wait for tomorrow. Start today with small, consistent steps. Take charge of your health, support your body naturally, and live with the confidence and vitality you deserve at every age. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with others who may benefit, and subscribe to stay updated on more natural health tips. Wishing you strength, energy, and wellness always. Thanks for watching.